Hey everyone, welcome back to Castaway TV. I'd like to thank everyone for their orders for the new Castaway merch. I went to make a video for you guys last weekend snowmobiling, but I had the GoPro on the wrong setting and literally all you see is basically the handlebars and the speedometer of the snowmobile and nothing of the trails. My bad, so sorry for no video. But today I've got a video for you. We started out with a little manual labor to get the barn door open. But hopefully this little stunt today goes a little better than that. We're gonna go take the kayak down to Long Sault and launch it to the river. So I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna head over there. Alright, we've made it to the hill. I've had to call in some reinforcements today for filming purposes. Here's my cameraman Alex. Hello.
I don't know what to say yet, but hi, I'm gonna film.
Yeah, so the goal is to go down the hill on the kayak onto the St. Lawrence River, which is frozen over, so it won't be too dramatic. I won't drown, hopefully.
It's a nice scene, eh? It looks good.
It is a nice scene here. I was gonna throw the drone in the air, but it's snowing pretty heavily now, and it's not very good for it. So we'll skip that portion of it and get straight to bombing down this hill. Alright, so far the stunt has not been too successful. It's kind of hard to control a kayak going down a hill, I found out. We got one more little box attempt we're going to try. And then we're going to get out of the snow because it's putting a damper on this day. Alright, that little mission wasn't as successful as I would have liked it to have been. The snow is really thick and slows you down, and kayaks just don't go where you want them to go in the snow, I found out. I don't know if this is the end of the video. If it is, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Check out Castaway TV, the store. It is in the link below, as well as my other social media platforms. I'm beat.